Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I'm a little early today, outside running. I'm gonna go to Disneyland today, so I'm basically gonna be chilling all day. Maybe not even post, but I did want to post this on GameStop today. Right now, we are about $10 under the previous closing price. We actually closed at around what, like 241, 242 yesterday, and we did do a drop off of 234, 235. Unfortunately, the TA short term does support a move down for GameStop. I'm gonna say that right now. TA short term does support a move for GameStop to go down, and we also created a gap at around the 212 price, which I'm not exactly happy about, to be honest, because that immediately makes me bearish on GameStop longer term, because that gap has to get filled at some point in time. It doesn't mean they have to get filled today, tomorrow, next week, maybe not even a year, but as of right now, there is a pricing gap at around the 212 price for GameStop. Again, still holding, not selling anytime soon. I still think we're going to 283, but I just wanted to kind of update you guys for those that are still in this GameStop play, still holding, whatever. I still think we're going up. I'll probably drop a TA sometime later today, maybe, on GameStop. Like I said, there's a chance that we do see a drop. There is a chance that we do see a drop down to like the 212 level to close that gap before actually starting to move up. But as of right now, yeah, we are down about 3%, which isn't all that much considering how much we've actually already gained in 1 week alone, right? So I'll see you guys later.